What we have now is the ANC approaching parties individually. Now they've created an impression to the citizens that they want everyone, all parties to be involved. But what they are doing practically is that they are having a coalition with their own parties, which they've included, and the deals they've already included. I'm sure you'll recall that during the week, Tony Leon of the DA did allude that the discussions with the ANC are in the final stages, whereas with the parties that are in this table, they are not even in the final stages because they were not included in terms of bringing those documents that are basically the guidelines as to what are the modalities of the GNU. So we thought as these parties, let us come speak to the nation, advise the nation that the ANC is misleading the nation when it's saying it is a GNU. It is not a government of national unity, because if it's a government of national unity, all parties would have been equally consulted. There would have been equal understanding to all of the parties. What we see is that it is a coalition with certain parties, but under the disguise of a GNU, and the other parties which do not agree with some of the programs or some of the suggestions by the ANC have been excluded. So that is why we thought we need to speak to the nation. This morning, the ANC sent the guideline document to Al-Jama individually, and other parties which were part of the initial discussions with the ANC have never received that particular document. Again, which clearly shows that the intention of the ANC, it is not to have a GNU that is inclusive of all 18 political parties, but their intention is to get into a coalition with their preferred coalition partners. So I think we can just give it to the leaders to also state from their point of view. Otherwise, the intention of this media briefing, it is to just make the South African citizens know there is no GNU in our country. We've got a coalition of the party that got 40% with their preferred coalition partners. Thank you.